Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel Google Forms subscription. Google Forms doesn't have its own subscription. It is included as part of Google Workspace. If you are using the free version of Google Forms, you don't need to cancel anything because it's free. But if you're paying for Google Workspace and want to cancel it, here's how. First, sign in to the Google Admin Console using your administrator account. Go to Billing. Under Subscriptions, find your Google Workspace subscription. Click Actions and select Cancel Subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. After canceling, you still be able to use Google Workspace until the end of your billing cycle. And if you're only using the free version of Google Forms, there's nothing to worry about. You can keep using it without any payment or cancellation needed. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.